What's up guys, it's me Caitlin from CCO Tech and welcome back to my channel. Long time no see, but I am finally back and ready to start up this channel and being consistent. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Anker PowerPort lll 20-watt charger. It's basically an alternative to the 20-watt charger that you can purchase on Apple's website. You can get it on Amazon for a much lower price. I believe it's $17, which is a lot better than having to pay $20 plus. This comes with not only the power brick, but also the USB Type-C to lightning cable. So you're getting two things combined for a price of $17. But before we get started with the unboxing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And without further ado, let's get on with the unboxing. Alright, so right off the bat, we have the packaging. It's very minimalistic. We have blue and white. You can kind of see like the outline kind of showing their product. And so on the back, we kind of get to see more details on the products. But without further ado, let's open up this packaging. So the first thing I see when I slide it out is, the user manual. It's inside this little plastic wrapping, so I'll set that aside. And then when we turn it around, we get what we bought this for. So right here we have the power brick. And here it is. It's definitely much smaller in size compared to Apple's charging brick. We get a much more smaller, compact, foldable prongs. So when we need to plug it in, we take them out. When we don't, it's flat on all sides, which I think just helps with compactability and just portability. And so we have our little USB Type-C port right here, which will charge in the cord that's in this box. If I open it up, we get the charging cord. So the charging cord is actually a lot thicker than your average Apple cord, which increases durability. Like this isn't flimsy material, this is the real deal. And I honestly think it's nicer than Apple's. USB Type-C. And then we have the lightning port of the charger. It says Anker on each of the ends of the charger. But yeah, it's actually quite long. I can't even fully extend it without it going off camera, but this is it folded up. This will definitely allow you to charge your device without having to be just right up on that outlet. But yeah, there you have it. The Anker PowerPort lll. Comes with not only the charging brick that's 20 watts, but also Type-C to lightning cable that you need to fully charge your device. Now I'm comparing the Anker power brick to an Apple power brick. Now this isn't exactly Apple, it's a brand called Mophie, but it has the same general shape. As we can see, it's much longer and wider than the Anker power brick. These are both 20 watts. But as we can see, Anker did a better job of making it more compact so that even though it's smaller in size, you're still getting that same bang for your buck, 20 watts of charging. In terms of the wires, we can see another big difference. This is an Apple USB Type-C to lightning cable, and this is the Anker USB Type-C to lightning cable. And we can see side by side that the Apple one is a lot flimsier. Obviously, it's been used for longer, so it's not as freshly stiff, but we can see that the Anker's is much thicker, and you can tell that the material covering all the internal wires makes this feel a lot more durable. So I feel like in the long run this will last a lot longer. But I did compare the sizes, and the Apple cable is just a couple more inches longer than the Anker one, which means that you can be further away from your outlet and still be able to charge your device. Whereas with the Anker one, you have to be just a little closer. Another thing is though, with Apple's, you can see that it's way flimsier at the ends of the chargers. So where you're plugging it in where there's more tension on the device, if it's flimsy here, a wire can break out, this can break off. But with the Anker one, there's a lot more durability, and this material right here allows it to stretch. And there's another coating around it, so a wire is not gonna snap out. I like how Anker really thought about not just durability, but also the design. It's very sleek, and it looks cool. There's, a little pattern on this. Apple's is just, smooth, still sleek, but I personally think that Anker's cable is just that much nicer than the original Apple one that you would get out of the box. Honestly, just taking it out of the box, I'm a big fan of this Anker PowerPort 3 20-watt charger, because you're paying $17, with a little bit of tax. Get this off of Amazon, and you're not just getting that brick, you're getting the brick and the cord. If you went to Apple's website, of course when you get an iPhone, it already comes with the cable, but just the brick alone is where you're going to be paying $20. So I think that with Anker, when you're getting the full thing for $17 versus just half of the charger for $15 to $20, it's a much better deal. Overall, I'm just really happy with the Anker PowerPort 3. It's doing what it needs to do, and I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.